for SNMP trap filter. To capture the SNMP trap, point the SNMP trap messages from the device or equipment to SendQuick server port number 162 with public committee. To configure the SNMP trap filter in SendQuick, go to Filter Rules, SNMP trap filter, click Add New Record. Under Description, enter the description for the rule. For this example, we shall select only from and message for the rule. Check from. Enter the IP address of the device or equipment. Check message. Enter the message. Under Match, select Any. This will trigger the alert notification if any of the rules matches. Under Priority, you may select 1, which is the highest, or 9, which is the least priority. In this case, we shall leave it as 5. Click Save after done. You shall see a new rule has been added. To configure for the alert, click View. Click Add New Record. Under the alert template, we shall leave it as default. Under the alert mode, if select once, the system will trigger alerts once only and stop. For once and report, the system will trigger alerts once only, then send report. For escalation, system will trigger alert according to escalation level setting. For escalation and report, the system will trigger alerts according to escalation level setting and then send report. For this example, we shall select once. Under the alert receiver, enter the mobile number to receive alert. For multiple mobile number, enter on a new line. Enter the email address to receive alert. For multiple email address, enter on a new line. Click Save after done.